हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम आपको लेट मी शो यू दैट व्हाट यू हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर वर्डप्रेस इन योर domain. So I will show you that what is WordPress, how to use WordPress. So this is my website besthomeandme.com and my WP dash login. So this is my username and this is my passwords. So then go to login, and I you have to see that this is the main dashboard of my WordPress website. So let's show you the overview of about my dashboard. So first of all, you see that you have to post on your web post. It is available in this all posts and add new categories, tag categories and tags, or media files, home pages, comments. अब हमारे पास एक plugins है. For example, this is my rank max plugin for you. This is popular WordPress plugin for SEO. So this plugin is very wo- commonly used plugin in SEO related. So this is the dashboard. Plugin dashboard आ गया. Plugin dashboards. So you have to see that this is the free version. This is free version of this plugin. So this is the main features available in the take SEO on the next level. 404 monitors, ACF, AMP, analytics, BBpress, WordPress, content AI. So these are the main features available in this plugins. सही है. और एनालिटिक्स, जनरल सेटिंग्स, टाइटल्स, साइड मैप और इंस्टेंट इंडेक्सिंग. अपीयरेंसेस में हम आएंगे तो फॉर एग्जांपल थीम्स आर अवेलेबल दिस. So we have to show you that the I will show you that about theme about cadence WP. This is very used in affiliate marketing. This is very commonly used in affiliate marketing. This is very most popular themes in WordPress. So this is तो customized, for example, so use in customized section में available in this plugin. और so this is very plugins is also available in this theme. So I will show you that best home and me is my websites. So we have to show that these are the posts this is available. Theme customizations is very used in this plugin. Header section, footer section, journal, post page layout, search results, site identity, menu, widgets, home page setting, additional CSS और import CSS. और ये हम बताते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल our plugins available in this section: user name, tools, settings, code, snips, structured data, localized, stability or cadence block. This is where plugins is available, cadence block. So this is the main overview of this WordPress. So this is very commonly used plugin available.